that chainsaw's looking nice. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing good. We just won. The clan war. Yeah, platinum. Yeah. Oh, nice, nice. All right, let's use this chainsaw just to piss him off. Let's see what happens. Like 5 times, okay? Oh, he's mad. I drop shot at him with a chainsaw. He's mad. And you're camping in the back and you spawn from. Oh my god. Fucking Flash, man. Where they're at? Ooh. He's mad. He got panicked. Fucking panic knife. Wow, where the hell was this fucker? I know. These guys are getting so sauce, like, they can't handle it. This gun is a... Yo, this gun is so OP. These kids are so mad. They're like so mad that they're gonna go up to their moms, tell them take me to GameStop, and they're gonna sell this game. Because that's how mad they are. Oh shit. Fucking IEDs, man. Oh, so that's where he was camping at. Oh shit. Yeah, that will. Word. We'll be everybody would be dropping like 50 kill games. But isn't Ground War have... Isn't Ground War up to 100 kills if you play Team Death? Right? It's 100? Yeah. No, what? Wow. 23 and 8 with a chainsaw. These kids are mad. Look at this, look at this, look at this. No, I could have got him, but like, fucking motherfucker, man. Haha. Alright, 23 and 8. I did better than Nate. Oh, that rhymed. I did.